back to Made Up. It's your girl Diane, and in today's video we are doing another unboxing for Boxycharm. I love it. It's so exciting getting my box every single month, and this month it came a little bit early, but I wasn't able to shoot the video or really try out any products until today. For you guys that don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It's about $25 a month. They also have a premium and a luxe box, I believe, but this is just the base box we're doing today. So if that sounds exciting to you, please keep watching. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. I did already shoot this video once and I had a problem with the footage, so I have to reshoot. So my makeup might not look exactly the same between different scenes. Some clips worked out, some of them didn't, so you'll have to bear with me. This is footage 2.0. So first, we are going to get this box open and see what we got here. My first item up is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Since this is video 2.0, I have had a chance to put this on my face and kind of see what it looks like and take some time with it, at least a day or so. And it does feel cooling right away on the skin, but it takes a minute to build up. As you wear it, I would say 30-45 minutes it stays cooler, it kind of builds up in that process. It does say that you can wear this on top of makeup. Since I've had a chance to wear this twice now, I just don't see how I could wear it over makeup. Definitely not of someone with my skin tone. Just opening it up here, here's a little like cap. I don't know if I'm supposed to keep using this to keep it fresh, but I would think so. And I think it's actually a really cool idea because I've never seen a stick that comes with that, and I would think it would help dry it out. So here it is right there, this blue color, and there is also a shimmer to it, but this blue color definitely comes out on the skin. So let me see if I can put this on my arm. Ooh, it does feel nice on there, and I don't know if you guys can see that. I guess I should go like this. That blue tint stays on there. So this is definitely something I could see myself using at night because it does feel cooling as time goes on. But I could never see myself wearing this outside or over makeup or anything because this blue shimmer, it stays blue. Anyway, second item up is this Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. So this actually came in a box as well, but there was a little leakage on the way over here, so I had to throw the box away because it was all damaged. This thing leaked. But I did try this, and you'll get to see that clip later on in the video. I typically try to stay away from foaming, something that lathers on your face. I don't know that it's the same for foaming face washes, so it comes out as foam already. Typically something that gets really foamy on your face tends to dry out your skin. I don't know if this is the same thing, but I'll keep using this and kind of see if I have any sort of reaction to it. I have normal to dry skin, so we'll see if it dries out my skin more, especially here in the summer months, but we will see. The next item up is an actual makeup item. This is by KAB or K-A-B. It looks like it stands for Kim Ariana Brielle. Lip liner and lip gloss combo here, and they are both in this shade Charming, and I've had a chance to try this on once because, again, video 2.0, and it's a little bit on the pink side, not really my shades that I go for. It's definitely very lovely. To me, this is not a gloss. It's a liquid lip high shine. I feel like it is very pigmented, so it's hard for me to think of this as a gloss, but I guess a lot of people are doing that where their glosses are very pigmented these days. So this does seem to be more of a trend. When I was growing up, a gloss was a gloss. It was sheer or glittery. You could definitely tell it was a gloss. To me, this looks like a liquid lip. So the next item, and this has been used because I used it earlier in the other video. This is a Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio in shades of nude. And there's the palette right there, and I'm typically not a cream person, but lately I have tried a few products and I do really like them. This is what I'm wearing right now on the skin. I think it comes across beautifully on camera. In person though, it's very light, I feel like. And maybe if you're a lighter skin tone than me, it would come out more. I definitely have to really work to build this up. I could see myself using this on days where maybe I'm just traveling and this is pretty small, easily compact. The product itself, I like the way it goes on. It goes on as a cream. I'm not sure that it ever really dries down to a powder finish though. It doesn't feel like that. That being said, I don't feel like it moves either. The highlight in here, that one is a very natural glow. So if you're into glow from within type look, which I am, that's gonna be perfect for you. I think it's beautiful. It's very natural. I do love it. But if you're looking for something really popping with pigment, this is probably not your jam. The next thing up is Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and these are, or the title of these lashes is They're Real, I Swear. I have taken these out. I trimmed them so they were a little bit longer before, and I put them on, obviously. So they're a little bit shorter than, than when they originally came. I will try these on later in the video so that you can see them. I do feel that even with the trim, they are fairly long. They do have a natural type of look, and my eye is just so small and my lid space is just so small that I typically stay away from lashes this large. I use the what people would probably consider like baby lashes or starter lashes, because this is too overwhelming on my face. It really just takes over, and sometimes it can look like it's bringing down the eye instead of uplifting or opening the eye. It kind of weighs it down. So I tend to stay away from these, but for a lot of people, these are going to be perfect. I think they have a very natural look to them. I could see a lot of people loving this. The band for me is a little bit thick as well. I do have to go a little bit thicker with the liner so I could try to conceal this band, which again weighs down the eye or closes the eye for me. I wish that these would look really good on me because they are lovely and I love them in theory in the container, but you'll see. I'll put them on and let you guys be the judge. So those are my 5 items. In case you don't know, Boxycharm actually does a quiz, and I gear my quiz towards more skincare products. I love skincare and I use it, or I go through more empties in skincare than I do with makeup. I like to gear my box towards skincare. So you're seeing a lot of skincare items. It's not Boxycharm. I chose it that way. There are definitely more variations in there that are more makeup centric. So let's go through what we got here. The Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash, that is $24. Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio, also $24. The Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm, $28. The Cab Cosmetics, or KAB, I'm not familiar with the brand, so maybe I'm saying that wrong, but their Lip Duo is $40. And then the Lashaholic Lashes, They're Real, I Swear, are $14.99. So our grand total on this is $103.99. And we got all this stuff for just $25. So to me, it's worth it. Sometimes you're gonna come out with things that you love in the box. They're not all gonna be, you know, your style or for you, but for the most part, you can at least find your value in this, meaning $25. I definitely got $25 worth of stuff that I will like, use, enjoy, love, all of the above. So definitely happy with my box. And with that being said, let's get on to the try on portion. So we've kind of already tried this on here. This was what I was wearing today because I just grabbed it. We were running out the door and I actually did it in the car earlier, and now I'm coming back to reshoot this video. But let's go ahead. Since I put the blush on, I know we're kind of doing it in reverse order, but that's okay. Makeup is makeup. We're just all having fun. And I'm gonna take some of what appears to me to be a bronzer. This is Coconut Grove. And I'm just going to place that here. So on camera, this comes off a lot stronger than it is in person. I always find that interesting, or some products you can't see on camera and it just kind of disappears, but in person you can really see it, and vice versa. That's what we're seeing right now. To me, when I look on camera, this gives a lot of nice color, a lot of pigmentation, and I can see the product. In person though, I would say it's a very light bronzer for me, which is not a bad thing. Sometimes, you know, I'm going for that type of look where I don't want that much pigmentation, where I don't want stark lines or anything like that. Well, I guess you never want stark lines, you always want it blended. But I love that. It looks great on camera to me. When I look, it looks great. But in person, very natural, very light, and I'm here for it. Next up, we are going to do this lip combo here. So quickly, I'm just going to outline the lips, and I'm going to just use this little tiny mirror. Right offhand, this is very pink for me. It's not a color that I would go for typically. It's just very, very pink. A fairly large doe foot applicator there, and this is pretty big too, comparatively speaking. A lot of product comes out. I did have to wipe it because I didn't feel comfortable. Okay. So maybe I could have used that extra pigment, but no, I did okay. I don't like my lips to be that goopy anyway. There's something really unsettling about that. I always feel like my hair is gonna get in the way. There's the color right there. As far as the formula goes on both, this is super creamy and super soft. And I just lost the bottom. Do you see this? Oh, just falling apart here. Well, the product itself was very creamy as far as this goes. And then this gloss, definitely very pigmented, especially for a gloss. But typically I'm a matte satin finish kind of person. As far as the formula though, I think it went on really lovely, lots of pigment, you know, you can't hate on that. So it feels comfortable on the lips. I am going to finish off the rest of the look. I'm gonna put on shadow and the lashes real quick, get those on so that you can see them and we can kind of see the finished look together. I'll find something to match this shade of lip gloss. Lip gloss. All right guys, so that is the finished look. I went with something very bold on the eye because I feel like lashes like this need something very bold, at least on my eye. They would just overtake my eye if I didn't have some sort of shadow on there that was very bright and standoutish. So that is the look right there. For the shadow, I used the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1. I don't know, does it close my eyes? I feel like it makes them smaller, but also kind of makes them stand out too. So it's a catch-22. Tell me what you guys think, and let's get started on the next segment, which is washing all this stuff off with this. And of course, you'll see me use this as well. So on to the next. Last time I did this, I used my phone camera, and that, I hated the quality. I hated where I had to shoot from, and it was just, I didn't like it. So I'm going to have to bend over where it's from. So I am going to take off these lashes. This one, it says apply to wet skin and gently massage in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So I am going to get the water warm. Awkward. Hi guys. So weird. And I'm gonna wet my face. And there is, oh, I should have showed you. There's the nice foam, okay? And, ooh, I already have makeup all over. All right, guys, we're gonna try this again here. Ooh, looking a bit scary. So, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that was twice already, and I wasn't rubbing hard, so I'm okay with it. A foaming face wash like this one typically wouldn't get all the makeup off anyway. I would use a balm first, something like that, but I just wanted to use this. So it foamed up nicely. I don't know how my skin feels. It feels nice right now, but the true test of time will be what it feels like if I continue to use the product, if it would really dry out my skin. And then I'm gonna finish up with just some micellar water around the eyes and the lips, lightly with a cotton pad. We are going to try this Tula skincare a Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Balm. Let's see if it apply around the eye area for instant cooling and glow. Use under and over makeup as needed throughout the day for an instant pick-me-up. Yeah, I am definitely gonna try that because I don't see putting this product over makeup, how that would work. So I am interested in trying that. So let's give this a go here. Okay, so when I put it on, I don't know if it comes on camera, but it has a color, like a shimmer. Do you see this white cast right here? Whoa, like, will it dissipate over time? I don't know. Can I put it here, like around the eye, like, no, just kidding. There is a smell. I can't place it though. It's not pleasant, not to me. It's kind of like a waxy grapefruit. Maybe I'm way off on this, but I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a tint for sure. Like a blue sparkly tint, which is exactly what this product looks like, a blue sparkly. I don't know, maybe I'm supposed to pat this in. I feel a little bit of a cooling sensation. I don't know that I like it yet. But what I have found with first impressions is that first impressions, although they may be honest, they're not always accurate. So we'll see. We'll keep using this product and see if there's any sort of noticeable difference or if I start to enjoy the product more, because that happens too. So that's it for our try-on section, I guess. All right, friends. That's all I have for you today. I had a lot of fun shooting this video. I hope you did too, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Oh, and ring that bell. Bye. This is so weird. Is that supposed to happen? Well, clearly. You want to sit with mommy and just say hi? We are